Hello and welcome to the Aquinas Media equipment tutorials. Today we're going to be looking at how to change the lens of the camera. So to begin with, let's take off the lens we've got on at the minute. So with the camera off, press the button to the right of the camera lens and then twist anti-clockwise to take off the lens. Now make sure you use the protective cap to twist onto the lens that you've taken off to protect it. Now on the new lens, you'll notice that there's either a white square or a red dot on the edge of the lens. Using these markers, all you need to do is match the marker to the marker on the actual base of the camera. Just connect the lens to the base and twist clockwise until you hear a click. And that's it, it's good to use. So if you want any more help on the cameras and the equipment that we do, please check out all the other tutorials that we have online.